Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is MD Habibur Rahman Sohan. Student ID is 2324705. My presentation topic is rapid sand filtration. First, concept and evolution. Concept and evolution definition. Rapid sand filters are types of filter used in water purification and are commonly used in municipal drinking water facilities. Key advantage: unlike slow sand filter, RSF provide much higher filtration rates and require a significantly smaller land area. They are essential for modern urban water dams. Next, process overview. Rapid sand filtering (RSF) is a robust physical process used for removing suspended particles from water. High filtration rate required pre-treatment employs silica sand as media smaller footprint than slow sand filters. Next, system architecture. In color tank filter media base material under drainage wash water through. Next, we can see how it work. Number one, staining. Second, absorption, and finally biological action. Next, we see that the heart of the filter sand is carefully graded with an effective size of 0.45 to 0.70 millimeter. The uniformly coefficient ranges from 1.3 to 1.7. The underlining gravel layer prevent sand from entering the under draining and ensure uniform distribution of wash water. Thank you everyone. Assalamu alaikum.